How to draw Cruella de Vil. We are going to start off by drawing a vertical line near the top of our page. This will be the middle part of Cruella de Vil's hair. Then we are going to draw a curved line going downwards and to the right from the bottom of that line. Then we are going to make a couple pieces of her hair. For this, we are going to draw a line going upwards from where we left off, and then we are going to draw another line going downwards and then another one going back upwards. Then connecting to the right side of this piece of hair, we are going to draw another piece of her hair by drawing two sides of a triangle that will be pointed downwards. Now we are going to draw 4 more pieces of hair that are going to go around, connecting back up to the top of the vertical line we drew at the beginning. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew! Now we are going to begin drawing the top left part of Cruella de Vil's hair. This will look very similar to what we just drew for the top right part of her hair. We will start by drawing a line going out to the left from the top of the vertical line we drew at the beginning, and then we are going to draw a couple pieces of hair. Then we are going to continue drawing many pieces of hair going downwards and then back to the right a little bit, connecting to the bottom of the vertical line we drew at the very beginning. Wow, learn how to draw Hub Crew! Great job! Our drawings are looking awesome so far. Next, we are going to draw the outline of Cruella de Vil's face. For this, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards from the left part of her hair that has a small hump in it and then continues downwards right here like this. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a line just like this one for the right outline of her face. This will go downwards from the right side of her hair. Then we are going to draw a straight line across the bottom, connecting those two lines together. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew! The outline of Cruella de Vil's face is all done. Now we are going to begin drawing her mouth. For this, we are going to draw a wide U shape right here. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a straight line going across near the top of that shape, connecting the two sides together right here. Nice job! Now inside of this shape, we are going to draw the inner outline of the mouth. Then connecting to either side of that inner outline of the mouth, we are going to draw a small straight line going inwards towards the middle. These will be detailed lines separating the top and bottom teeth. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. We're all done drawing the mouth. Next, we are going to draw the earrings. For this, we are going to draw a curved line on either side of the face right here and here. Nice job! The earrings look great. Next, we are going to draw the nose. This will be right above the middle of the mouth, and we will draw a curved triangle shape without a bottom. Then we are going to draw two small lines inside of that shape for nostrils. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw her right eye. For this, we are going to begin by drawing the bottom outline, which will be a small curved line above the nose and to the right a little bit. Then we are going to draw a bigger curved line connecting these two sides together. Then where those two curved lines come together, we are going to draw a straight line across the eye. This will be for the eyelid. Going downwards from that line in the middle, we are going to draw a small half circle and color it in black for the pupil. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. The right eye looks awesome. Now we are going to draw the left eye the exact same way, and this one will be right here. Nice job! We are all done drawing the eyes and almost finished drawing her face. Next, we are going to draw the eyebrows. First, we are going to draw the left one, and it will be right here. Then we are going to go over the top part of the eyebrow again to make it a little bit thicker. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw the right eyebrow, and this one is going to be right here. And again, we are going to go over the top part of the eyebrow to make it a little bit thicker. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. We're all done drawing Cruella de Vil's face. For the last part of this drawing, we are going to draw the rest of her hair. First, we will start on the right side by drawing a long curved line going downwards from the top part of her hair that we already drew. And at the end of this line, we are going to draw a small line going upwards, creating a point at the bottom. Then we will draw another long curved line going downwards from the top part of her hair that will connect to the smaller line we just drew and continue going downwards a little bit further. Then we are going to draw another long curved line just like this one, and they will connect at the bottom, coming to a point. Then connecting to this piece of hair and her chin, we are going to draw two sides of a triangle coming to a point at the bottom. Then just to the left of that, we are going to draw two more sides of a triangle coming to a point at the bottom for the last piece of hair on the right side. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the rest of the hair on the left side of her head. We are going to draw the rest of her hair on the left side of her head, similar to how we just drew the rest of the hair on the right side of her head, and then we will be all finished drawing Cruella de Vil. This is how to draw Cruella de Vil. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.